Welcome back to our channel, Dreams Ideal Realty. This is your trusted real estate broker here in Zambales, Philippines. I'm Cindy Wong. Today we'll be checking these two duplex house for sale here in Kalayaan, Subic, Zambales. It's drizzling, so let's go! It's a two-car carport. It is part of the property. We apologize that it's not that clean because the property owner is in the USA right now. So this is an exercise for us, cardio exercise. We have stairs here going to the two houses for sale. And this portion, it will be cleaned because that came from the renovation. Let's go up. So on our left side, that's our garden. This is unit number 1. And actually this is still under renovation, okay? So we are now here in unit number 1. Okay, again, we are selling two properties here, duplex properties. You will be greeted with this spacious living area. Again, this is under renovation, you know. The owner of this property will move to the USA already. So she decided to just sell these two units. Okay, as you can see, it's really new. You can remove this one. And what's this? I am 5'4½", so maybe this is 5'7". The owner said this is for some storage or some cabinets for your grocery items. And oh wait, they do have two sinks here. One sink here and one over there. Two sinks. Okay, so from this sink area, we have a powder room over here. Still, or not, sorry, it's not a powder room because this area will be the shower area, I guess. It's not yet done. Kasi it's the same tiles, no? It's not yet done. So this will be shower area. Oh, let me just point out, this is 220/110. So if you have appliances that require 110 volts, so this is ready. Okay? And I think this can be a room or an office space. Okay? Very spacious also. Let's go upstairs. So I think this will be a storage area, or you can put some plants over here. Well, the best thing here is as this will be as is where it is basis, so you can really modify this house or continue the renovation. Okay? As you can see, we don't have railings still. So we have wooden stairs. Upon landing, we have the shared or common toilet and bath. So you can continue renovating this house. Okay? And they do have the hot and cold shower already. From the shared common toilet and bath, we have two bedrooms here, very spacious, but the other one is locked. That's your neighbor. You can renovate this one, okay? Remove this one. This is old door. Another old door, but this is locked, so we cannot check the size of this room right now. Small hallway leading to the master bedroom. Quite spacious. From the master bedroom, we have here your walk-in closet, walk-in space, toilet, and bath with hot shower, of course. From the walk-in closet, this master bedroom has its own balcony. And that's our beautiful garden. It's raining already. From this balcony, that's your beautiful view of the garden and your two-car carport. That's the road already. Your neighbor. So this is our quick home tour for our unit number 1. Let's go to unit number 2. Beautiful lighting fixture. Beautiful, right? And we have here air conditioning unit. So from unit number 1, let's check unit number 2. It's around this area. This is one-way mirror. Can you see your face here? This is unit number 2. Again, it's under renovation. Spacious living area, or this part will be your kitchen, or sorry, dining area. Oh, this is our, I think this is aluminum. Cabinets, a lot of space. Your sink. And we have the toilet and bath. Ground floor. I like this one. This aluminum type, silver. It's beautiful. And let's go to the second floor. You know what? This unit, they can have it rented. It has 3 bedrooms. 3 bedrooms upstairs. So you have a small space here. Family area it could be, right? And you have the rainforest. Rain, it's raining. Okay, let's check the 3 rooms over here. First room. We have the closet. First room. Oh, we have a hallway over here. Maybe this is 1.5 meter wide. Second bedroom. Wow, this is a huge glass. Just put curtains or blinds over here. And you have your balcony over here. Ah, presto. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Very spacious. This don't have light here. This is your second bedroom. All the bedrooms are very spacious. And this is the common toilet and bath. From the common toilet and bath, you can put another closet here. This is a walk-in closet, separated from the 3 rooms. They use aluminum here. Aluminum closet. Well, it is termite free. It's easy to clean, isn't it? Okay, let's do our recap. That's the end of our home tour for today here in Kalayaan, Subic, Zambales. Just to recap, we're selling 2 houses, duplex houses here. This unit number 1 has 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath. Estimate floor size is around 160 to 180 square meters. And unit B, floor area is around 90 square meters to 100 square meters. We have 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. Okay, if you're interested, you can give me a message. All my social media accounts are listed in the description box below. So you know the drill, dreamers. Like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, bye.